Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor and privilege to introduce community friend and our leader, Bobby Kumar, who is running for Lieutenant Governor on Sapling Party. Bobby Kumar.
Bobby, Bobby, vote for Bobby, 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 vote for Bobby, 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 vote for Bobby.
Press can ask questions and appreciate.
You know, the love you had shown to me, I'm so humble. Naomi Bhai, Naomi Bhai, now I'm talking, I need attention.
I'm eating, man.
Thank you, I thank you for your love, because this is your hard work. I'm very humble. The love that you had shown to me. Sometimes the words cannot be expressed, because the words are very cheap that we use every day in our life to simply to say thank you. I just want to say from bottom of my heart, good evening, Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, whatever you believe in, the language you believe in, even the sometime when we don't say the word, when it's come from the heart, somebody can understand it. Good evening to all of you, and thank you being here. Especially the media who came here in very short notice. I understand when my friend said he have another event to go. I understand the situations. That's what media does. How a big hand of applause for the media. It is a media who is a bridge in our society to keep us intact. Sometimes we do not appreciate the media. That's where we also make mistakes. We should always be grateful for their work. And I thank you, all of you here. My other congratulations go to Naomi and Pradeep Bhai. And congratulations to your organization getting elected. And the reason the people elected you in our own society, because they believing in you that you will do the right things for our community. And thank you and congratulations. Tarak Bhai, you spoke so well. Maybe I should take you with me everywhere and speak for me so I don't have to speak about it. But thank you. I was the chairman of the political party before. I had no desire to ever to run for a public office. I'm going to give this simple introduction. I came to this country just like you. At least you had an education, formal education. I did not. So I start my job as a busboy, working in a restaurant. But I'm the best busboy restaurant ever had, because I always believed it. Whatever you do your very best. If you want to be a worker, be the best worker. When you want to be a friend, be the best friend. When you want to be a son, be the best son. When you want to be a leader, be the best. When you make a commitment, keep your commitment. I made a statement a couple weeks back. My statement was, I cannot win, I cannot achieve the goal without the Bangladeshi unity. My brother asked before, if you win or you lose, will you be with me, with us for the community needs? I always felt I win as long as I know I am with my community. Nobody can win without the community. Even those people who have got elected, I call them beggars. They come, they ask for votes, and after the votes, they forget. You and me, many of us, we are innocent, but we are honest, and just as simply a supporter, and we believe it. They come, they take your money, and they forgot after they got in the car what your name is. When you call their office, they will say, can you spell me your name? How you spell Muhammad? How you spell Singh? How you spell Smith? How you spell so and so? Because they have no intention to be with you or stand with you. Just they only care one thing, what they can get from you. If it's a fundraising or if it's your votes. I seen it because I was with them. When somebody comes from our country, cannot speak the language, it's very difficult. But all the difficulties are simply obstacles for us to learn and overcome. Sylvia Smith may be Spanish, but her difficulties are no different. If you from Bangladesh, your difficulties are no different than mine is from India or Pakistan. These two brothers, Kamal and Jamal, worked so hard alongside of my friend Sylvia Smith and her sister. Can you stand up, please? The whole family, for 2 months, worked day and night, very hard, to get us where we are. It's my fault that I did not come to you. I should have. By the time I realized, that's why I'm here. I'm not afraid to admit, I'm not ashamed to learn. I'm proud to be with my brother. Nagaraji, another day you put that band together. I know you made a very short speech. Your Urdu and Punjabi is as good as my Spanish and English, so don't worry about it. Uncle Das, many of you know this man. When I came to this country, he already had a store. I take a permission from the media friends because we all come from the same love and affection. It's important for me to show my respect, not only just to the media, not to everybody sitting here, the culture we come from, to show our respect to our elders. Uncle Das treated me always like a son, even though his own son. Bobby, are you here? Stand up. Sometimes it's a dispute who got the most love out of Uncle Das. And the reason I get it more because I'm the oldest, but he says the youngest supposed to get it more. Everyone who's spoken here, the kind word Manu had said, Sylvia had said, and everybody else whose name I cannot pronounce. I thank you for your kindness, even though you did not know me. But you spoke kind word for me. It's because of your culture, it's because of your belief. Your belief in me cannot fail. The reason it cannot fail, regardless of you vote for me or not. I'm your brother. I'm your brother. Today I might be running for this office. But in 1985, I was not running for the office. 1986, I was not running for the office. Can you hear me?
Yes.
But I was with Bangladeshi Unity then. Maybe we was not as large gathering that time that we have today.